So we will start with an overview of application. Create a basic Spring Boot application with Spring Boot Starter Web, test dependencies, and build plugins. Then we will jump to application class, which contains main method. Now let's add Spring OpenAI dependency. I'll paste the dependency which I already copied. You can find it in description section. Let's run and install all the dependencies. So the installation process is now complete. Let's get some dirty hands now. Create an AI controller class where we will define the command which will be passed to OpenAI server. Create a dependency injection of AI client class, which is implementation of OpenAI, and will take a command which we will be passing. The autocomplete feature which you're seeing is by Git Copilot. You can explore this feature also later. Now let's create a class and ask OpenAI to tell us 2 jokes. Now we are 95% done here. One last configuration is missing, which will be defined in YAML file. We need to define OpenAI API key, which is basically an authentication key provided by OpenAI for developers to explore. You can go to OpenAI page and create your own API key. Without this, you will not be able to authenticate in server. Now we are all set to launch our application. Let's run and see how it behaves. So now our application is up and running. Let's go to browser and hit on localhost. As you can see, we got 2 jokes, which is a response from OpenAI server. Now let's try something else. Now I'm interested in knowing some facts about Rome. So I'll ask OpenAI to give me 3 facts about Rome. Run the application and boom, here we go with 3 facts about Rome. I hope this was interesting video. If you liked, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and Instagram page, where I regularly post informative stuffs. Link is in description, and you can find code Git repo as well. Thanks for your time. Ciao.